Well, my friends, in this occasion I talk about of this package. In this pack, I I received it with other pack from Tiny Deal. In this pack, I am unboxing this pack, and in this pack is this OTG cable from Tiny Deal. I am going to test this cable. You see the pack. The pack is empty, and well, you see this cable, and I am going to test this cable with my cell phone. I am connecting this cable, and I am going to connect with other cable. This other cable is USB to USB, and don't happen nothing when I connect this cable. This cable is connected, and don't happen nothing. You can see that the cable doesn't work. Sorry about my pronunciation, but I speak Spanish. I am from Mexico, and I am going to test other OTG cable for you see that 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 my cell phone is correct work very well, and my receptacle is in good condition. This is other OTG cable, and I am going to connect USB storage, and this work. Yes, this is work. I am going to leave this cable for you can see, and you can see that this cable don't work. This cable doesn't work. And well, this is all. Thank you.